Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious Mexican chicken salad. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 3 pieces of chicken breast, 3 small potatoes, 3 carrots, a half of a head of lettuce, a half a cup of frozen peas, 1 can of sweet corn, 2 garlic cloves, 1 small white onion, pickled jalapeño peppers in its juice, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayo, salt, black pepper, and garlic salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so first we're going to start by adding our chicken into a small pot. And I already washed my chicken. I'm going to add half of the white onion, 2 garlic cloves, and salt. And I'm just going to cover it with enough water. Alright, so now we're going to put it in our stove. We're going to set it on medium-high heat and let that cook for about 25 minutes. Alright, so while we wait for our chicken, we're going to start to peel and cut our carrots and potatoes. So just peel it. Do this into all of your carrots. And peel your potato. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my potato and cut it in half. And then start cutting it into small strips. And then into small little squares. And my other half, since it's a little bit bigger, I'm going to cut it in half. And then just do the same. Okay, so my carrot, I'm going to cut it in half. Cut it in half again. Cut into little strips like that. And then start cutting into little squares as well. So do the same to the whole carrot. Alright, so once we have our carrots and potatoes cut into small little squares, we're going to rinse them and then put them in a pot. Okay, so now throw them in a pot. Add a little bit of salt and cover them with water. And now we're going to put them in a stove. Okay, so set it on medium-high heat. And now we're just going to let them come to a boil. Alright guys, so once our chicken is done, we're going to turn off our stove, remove our chicken, check it and make sure that it is fully cooked. And then we're just going to let them cool down. Okay, so just let them cool down, so like that it'll be easy for us to shred it. Alright guys, so after our potatoes and carrots have been boiling for 5 minutes, we're going to add our peas. At this point, the carrots and the potatoes are a little bit soft. They're not fully cooked yet. Okay, so we're just going to let them finish cooking along with the peas. Alright guys, so after 6 minutes, everything should be nice and soft. So now I'm just going to turn it off, drain the water, and let everything cool down. Alright, so meanwhile we can start cutting our lettuce. Alright, so once we have our lettuce all nicely shredded, we're going to rinse it. I'm going to put in a little strainer. And now we're just going to give it a quick rinse. So next we're going to grab our other half of white onion and we're going to start to dice it. So make sure that you cut into small little cubes. And of course, if you don't like onion, then you don't have to add it. And you're gonna do the same with your jalapeños. So I'm adding 3 jalapeños. And of course, all that depends on how spicy you want your salad to be. Alright, so next make sure that you drain the water out of our corn. Alright, so once our chicken has cooled down, just shred it. Alright guys, so once we have everything ready, we are ready to make our salad. So in a large bowl, I'm going to add my lettuce. I'm going to add all of our vegetables. Going to add the jalapeños and the onion. Our chicken. I'm going to add my 1 cup of sour cream and 1 cup of mayo. And of course, if you don't want to use sour cream and you just want to stick to mayo, then that's optional. Or if you don't want to use mayo, you can always use sour cream only. So now I'm going to add some juice from my jalapeños. I'm going to season it with garlic salt and black pepper. So now we're just going to mix it all together until everything is nicely coated. It smells so good. Alright, so just grab a piece of chicken and try it for salt, and if it needs anything, just add it. Mine is perfect, so I'm just going to leave it here. So now I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, and then we are ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and this is how I like to serve my Mexican chicken salad. Let me tell you that I am so ready. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. This is my mom's salad. She always used to make it after getting out of work. When she didn't know what to make, this will be one of her favorite dishes. So I'm so ready. Super delicious, you guys. Everything is just perfect. The potatoes, the carrots, the chicken. So delicious. This is perfect to make, you know, for your fiestas, for your gatherings. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious Mexican chicken salad. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.